Oh, everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. In today's exciting video, we're going to be playing with this extremely dangerous toy. Alright, I got this extremely dangerous toy from my buddy Big Gaz over there in the great continent of Australia. And yeah, as you can see, I've already kind of got it trued up and ready to go. Took the bark off this and got it all chucked up. Now this is a lathe. And we're going to attempt to make something here. I've never used this, really. I've never made anything with it anyway. So I played with it a little bit just to kind of get the feel of things. And yeah, I'll include a picture of it right about here. Okay, well, as you can see, it's quite a unique little toy. So we're going to attempt to make a handle for a ferro rod and see what happens. If I don't kill myself doing it, you may see future videos from me. Alright, let's get started. Oh, first off, goggles. Need eye protection. Always safety first. And of course, I like to wear these little doctor masks because it keeps the wood and sawdust out of my nose, lungs. So I look really handsome right about now. And we're going to get this thing going.
Then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. Yeah! If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite. me strong, you call me weak, but still your secrets I will keep. You took for granted all the times I never let you down. You stumbled in and bumped your head. If not for me, then you'd be dead. I picked you up, put you back on solid ground. If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there holding my hand? I'll keep you by my side with my superhuman might, kryptonite.
Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to cut it off right there. I'm going to fit it for a 1/2 inch. Well, I'm going to try to fit it for a 1/2 inch. Or 3/8 per rod. Hopefully it'll be a 1/2 inch. It looks like it'll take a 1/2 inch. That's what we're going to shoot for. I'm going to put a lanyard hole in it. I'm going to call it done. But wait, there's more. Alright, yes, there's more, guys. This is my 3,000 subscriber giveaway push. Alright, I'm trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. You know I'm not there yet. I'm a couple hundred shy of 3,000. If you'd like to win this here ferro rod and handle, I'm giving away a 1/2 inch Nathan 4071 ferro rod and this handle I made here on this lathe, which actually turned out really nice, I think. Yeah, all you have to do is get in on the giveaway. Here's the rules. First of all, you must be a subscriber to the channel. Second, if you want to do a VR, that'll give you 2 more entries. I really would appreciate the VRs, guys. They really would help me. Thank you. And to my international friends, I'm sorry, but this is for the United States only. If you want to get in on it, though, you still can get on the giveaway and forward it to one of your friends here in the States. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.